Hello friends, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you. If you like eggs and tortillas, you'll love this dish today. Migas is a Tex-Mex breakfast dish consisting of scrambled eggs cooked with crunchy corn tortilla pieces, cheese, onions, chili peppers, and tomatoes. Those are all optional ingredients. Traditionally for breakfast, my household eats migas for dinner also. So it's a comfort food good anytime, packed with protein and nutrients that will keep you fueled for hours. So let's get to cooking. Today I'm making 3 to 4 servings, so I'm using the following ingredients: 8 whole eggs, 5 corn tortillas, approximately a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or any oil you have on hand, cheddar cheese or your choice of cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, chives or chopped green onion for topping, now that's optional, and you'll need 1 nonstick frying pan. Begin by heating up a frying pan to low-medium heat. While the pan's heating, grab your tortillas and stack them to cut or tear them into chunky bite-sized pieces, whichever is easiest. Next, crack all the eggs and whisk together in a bowl. If you accidentally get a broken shell in the mix like I did, you can fish it out with another shell. I also add about 1 tablespoon of water to the eggs, which is optional, to make them a little lighter and fluffy. Return to the heated pan and add the butter and olive oil. Once the oils are heated, add the tortillas to fry up, just until crispy. Be sure to keep an eye on the migas. You'll want to separate them as you go so they don't steam and maintain the crispy texture. Then add the ground cumin to the tortillas and keep on stirring. Once the tortillas become crispy, it's time to add the eggs. This is key. I lower the temperature a little to avoid burning the eggs. Add salt and pepper and continue to scramble the eggs. While the temp is lowered, cover the eggs to continue cooking slowly. Once the eggs are done, top the migas with cheese. Then remove from the fire and cover to allow the cheese to melt nicely on top. When the cheese is melted, it's time to plate and serve. Before serving, top with the chopped chives or green onions and your favorite salsa or hot sauce. Also, topping with avocado slices is another healthy option. Remember, sharing is caring. Enjoy, guys. You got this, and God bless. If you found this video to be helpful, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes. And feel free to leave any comments or questions. And please let me know if you decide to try the recipe.